Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective bedtime weight loss drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Add it to a mug like this. To this add 1 cup of water. Give it a good mix and it will start to bloom. Chia seeds are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals and powerful antioxidants. It helps in better heart health, improved blood sugar levels, reduces inflammation, healthier weight management and better bone health. Chia seeds provide many essential nutrients including calcium, magnesium, copper, iron and phosphorus. It is always requested to have chia seeds in limit because of their high fiber content. Eating too many chia seeds may cause constipation, diarrhea, bloating and gas. Chia seeds may also cause flare-ups with inflammation, bowel conditions. It's been 5 minutes and our chia seeds are well bloomed and ready. The next ingredient is lemon. You will need about a tablespoon of lemon juice. So half the lemon is more than sufficient. Add it to the mug. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Mix it well. Now a healthy bedtime weight loss drink is ready. Drink this 10 minutes before going to bed. Also make sure to have your dinner before an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. This drink improves your metabolism while you are in sleep and cut down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.